Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to play a QE on YouTube Music using your phone. Let's get started. First, open the YouTube Music on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, you will see your recommended songs, albums and mixes. To start building a QE, tap on any songs you want to play. Once song is playing, look at the bottom of the screen and tap on the mini player. Now you will see the full now playing screen. Just below the song title or at the top, tap on the three dots, tap on add to QE. Here you will see your current QE. The song you picked will already be there. To add more songs, simply browse YouTube Music, tap the three dots and then select add to QE. Each song you pick will get added one after another in your QE list. You can also rearrange the order of songs by dragging them up and down in the QE. If you don't want the song anymore, just swipe left on it to remove it. And that's it. Now you know how to play, add and manage a QE on YouTube Music from your phone. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.